Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful and colorful scalloped circular motif. It will make a beautiful applique on your projects, on your dresses and whatnot. For this particular motif I used my Iron Baby Cake 100% acrylic anti-pill yarn, and it's a beautiful rounded yarn, and I've used my Clover 4.5 mm hook. And this the color code of this particular yarn is 3013. So without wasting much time, let us go into the video and learn how to make this beautiful scalloped circular motif. Make a magic ring. Just cross over. In the magic ring, place 24 double crochets. So you may start the first double crochet with chain 3 or make a standing twisted double crochet as the first double crochet, and place the stitch marker on the top of this double crochet, otherwise this is likely to hide when we come back. So make 23 double crochets now. So the first one plus 23, 24 double crochets. So place the number of double crochets required and get back. I shall also complete and get back. I have made 24 double crochets. Now slip stitch and join to the very first double crochet here. Now in the same stitch, make one double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, all in the same. First can be chain 3 plus 2 chain 5 and a double crochet, even that is fine enough. So let me make my first double crochet, chain 2, and let me mark the stitch over here and double crochet here. Now next, skip 2 double crochets. Before skipping, chain 1 and skip 2 double crochets. Again a V stitch here, D double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, chain 1, skip 2, V stitch, double, chain 2 double. Continue this pattern all around. I shall meet you at the end of the round. So this is what you have to do. Chain 1, skip 2, DC, chain 2, DC in the same stitch. Again chain 1, skip 2, DC, chain 2, DC. Continue. I shall repeat. I shall complete and get back. I have come to the end of the round here. I have placed my last V, chain 1, slip stitch to the very first stitch, or you may slip stitch to the back loop too, as per your convenience, and slip stitch into the chain space, and in this space make 2 double crochets, or chain 3 and 1 double crochet. We will come back and complete the stitch pattern. Now place a single crochet in the chain 1 space. Again 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 doubles, single crochet under this chain 1 space. Continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall complete and get back. So this way. Continue the stitch pattern. I shall complete and get back. We'll come to the end of the round here. So I need to place 2 double crochets in the incomplete chain space. I got it. Now instead of chain 2 and attaching, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the first DC or the third chain of the 5 chain, third chain if you have made 3 chains. Now in this space we are going to make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. So let's start with, instead we can make a half double and bring it to the corner because this is a final round. Sorry for the inconvenience. Directly make a half double and bring the yarn to the corner of the stitch here, and here we begin our first double crochet or chain 3. One, 2, 3, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. Now we have done a single crochet here. Before the single crochet, place 1 single crochet, and after the single crochet, place 1 single crochet, and then go over to the next chain 2 space, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. Sorry, not chain 3, chain 1, chain 1, 3 doubles. So again, before the single crochet, 1 single crochet, and after the single crochet, 1 single crochet. This is how our stitch continues for this entire round. Complete the round. I shall meet you where I began my first stitches. I have come to the end of the round and I have placed my last stitch here. Now slip stitch and join to the first double crochet and fasten off. Secure and fasten off. Here we go. Here is a beautiful circular scallop. This is scalloped circle. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like this small tiny scalloped circle. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Before that, a request from our end. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Further, have a great day friends. Bye for now.